Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all, went into Dollar General. I was trying to do the 3 off of 15 that we had, but I don't know if that expired yesterday or Sunday, because I could have sworn when I looked on Sunday, I still had a 3 off of 15 on one of my numbers, which was my number. And I said I was going to save it for this week to go ahead and get it over with, and went into the store, you all, to scan my items. And nothing was pulling up as far as what it was pulling up for. Because the Arm & Hammer, it was pulling up for that when I scanned it. So I got the, I scanned the packs and I scanned the liquid. And the 3 off of 15 did not come up. So I'm thinking they pulled it from my account. Y'all might want to check you all's numbers and see if they missing or if they're gone, if they pulled those. But I know mine is gone because I had one more left. And when I looked at Sunday to actually see what items that I was looking to do for my 5 off of 25 for Saturday and then during this week, I was just going to do it. I wasn't even going to wait for 5 off for Saturday to do the 3 off of 15 because it would be a waste. But I was going to do the 3 off of 15 during this week. So I went into the store, I scanned items, and it was like, it's gone. The items that I was trying to get to do the 3 off of 15, it's gone. So I don't know. And then I looked on my items to see the ones that I had already clipped, and it's totally off. They pulled mine. Okay. So, but that don't stop no one's show. Not over here. Okay. That was just a little bit of extra that I loved, but it don't stop me from couponing and getting things on the low. So let's go ahead and get to this video. So the first thing I got was this Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, okay? So I got, the Colgate is $2.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching if you have not used it yet, okay? I don't know. I think we got this last week. I'm not for sure. On some of my accounts, I still have old coupons, y'all. So I don't know if, some of you all still have old coupons, but I do. All right. So the next thing that I went ahead and picked up was the Big Soil Escape. Okay. This is the 3 blades with 4 of them in there, and it's the big. And that is $5.35, and there is a $4 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is this OxyClean Arm & Hammer. So I picked up one of these. I had 2 more on my account, but I think I might wait until Saturday to do the rest of them. They are $4.25. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that is attaching. You can either get the beads, these pods, or you can get the liquid. So I decided to get some pods because I really don't have that many pods in my stash. Okay. So then the last thing I got, y'all know about. If y'all don't know, now y'all know. This mouthwash, Scope Classic mouthwash. It is $1, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. So after I put all my things in here, up there on the counter, I put in my number. He scanned everything. My subtotal was $5.05. Yes, y'all. Almost $5 even. It had to be that 5 cents. So $5.05. And everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. All right. So there's the big, the digital, the Arm & Hammer, the digital, the Crest Scope, the digital, the Colgate Max Fresh, the digital. And then, yeah, that was it. So there's my subtotal, $5.05. Everybody's taxes is different. And then my total savings was $8.50. And then we got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul deals that you can do now. Just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.